Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a YouTube video ringtone. First, click share, copy link. I already done, that's why. Then go to documents. You need this documents, GarageBand files, and most of all YouTube. Then browser, back. So I could show you from the first. Okay, then go this. Press and hold it. Analyze me every time. Okay, now press and hold. I should do a lot of times, so sometimes, yeah, that happens. So then click convert. Then it's going to be converted. It's loading up here, the blue part you can see. Open, then click browser, not documents, browser. You'll be first open the documents first. Now continue, now it will load. Then click download. I'll see already downloaded, just so click cancel. Then you should not click cancel, actually, everybody. You should click done, because then click the three dots, share, save to file, which I already done. So just click save to files, then GarageBand. I already made some videos, but it's not coming properly, so let me just delete it. Okay, scroll down, scroll sideways, then until the audio recorder. Then click that. Click the loop files. Then click on that. Then it will appear here. Just give it some seconds, it will appear. Then click. Then okay, then click share, ringtone, name it, export, then it will export. I didn't name it because then now that's what you have to do to get that ringtone.